Hello guys, and welcome back to Infinite Flight. Great gameplay. We're in the 787-8, 9, I think 787-9. We're in. This is a brand new airplane I bought off the game. I just bought it tonight for $4.99. It is a beautiful sunset, and the lights, as you can see, are different. They're flashing different, and it is a American Airlines. So let me just show you the cockpit. This is a very, very, very nice cockpit. Very nice, very digital, now it even has a water bottle. Look at that. Aquafina. It even has a water bottle in it. Even has a Pepsi can in it. This is a very, very nice aircraft. This is one of the best planes in the game right now. This is very detailed, very cool, very enough space, speakers, sun visors, water bottle, just everything. It's just a beautiful, beautiful aircraft. Very realistic. The outside, curved windows. I like the engine style. See how it has that pointy to it. Something else pretty cool about it, look real closely on the wing. Remember how all the other airplanes, wings does not move? Watch this. Look at that. Wings are flexible. Look at that. See that? Look at that. Wings are flexible. That's the coolest part about this airplane. Usually all the other airplanes don't do that. See that? Looks like a bird flying in the sky. That is cool. I mean, that is amazing. Let's give a little bit more speed. That is amazing. Wings are very flexible. It is a very detailed cockpit. See, in the tail, it has all the little spikes on the end. This is a brand new 2000. I think they introduced this plane to the world in 2011, I think. But to the game, it's new, and I've just bought it today. I think there's 3 787, 787-8, 787-9, 787-10. And I bought 2 so far, 787-9, 787-10. I gotta buy the 8 yet. But this is cool. The wings are flexible. Sunset time. 77, man, that is cool. We are now at a cruising altitude of 13,000 feet. But the cockpit, I mean, just look at the cockpit. Just look at it. That is very detailed. We are in the Netherlands. We are still in the Netherlands, like I did with the Airlines 737. But I mean, this is a great aircraft. I mean, this is just amazing. Wings are flexible. This is what Infinite Flight's all about. So this is the American Airlines 787-9. So I just wanted to show you guys this. Let me show you the wing view. Look at that. Perfect view right there. Look at that. Let me do those wings again. See that? Look at that. Wings are flexible. Look at that. That is a cool, cool airplane. Really cool. That is a cool airplane. If you play Infinite Flight, leave in the comments if you play Infinite Flight. Make sure to get this plane, because I wanted this plane ever since the game came out. This plane was introduced to Infinite Flight, I think, at the beginning of 2017, so it's been a while since they introduced it, but the windows are different shapes. They're kind of an oval, kind of. But this is a really, really cool plane. So just wanted to show you guys this new airplane, and it was introduced to the game a couple months ago. So, alright guys, we will catch you guys later. Peace. So, one thing I want to say, I changed my YouTube channel name to The Andrew Adventures. It was not ANB anymore, so it's The Andrew Adventures B. And it has a 747 flying in the sky with blue background behind it. So just wanted to let you know that update. So just wanted to let you guys know. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.